Hello Tech Explorers, want to add a bot to Telegram? It's super easy and I'll show you how in just few steps. Let's go. First, open the Telegram app, tap on the search icon at the top right and type in the name of the bot you want to add. Once you find it, tap on the bot to open the chat. Now, tap Start to activate the bot. Some bots might ask for permissions, just follow the prompts. Want to add the bot to a group? Tap on the bot's profile and select Add to Group and choose the group. Your bot is now active. Which Telegram bot do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully added a bot to Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.